you ever have a task that you keep putting off and you know you need to do it? I'm Prairie Plant Girl, and tonight, 9:30, pitch blackout, I'm blowing out my sprinklers. So it's supposed to get to -5 tonight, so I made sure to drain all the lines to the taps from inside the house, and now I'm just waiting for the sprinkler lines to be empty so that there's no underground lines of water in them still, because here on the prairies, we'd have to go really, really deep with those underground lines to keep them from freezing, and that's just not what they do. So we just blow air through them every fall to get the water out so it doesn't freeze and wreck the lines. If you need a more in-depth how-to video, I do have one of those, so I'll try and find the link and pop it in this video for you. This is just a what I'm doing kind of video. Down in the comments, let me know, do you put things like this off until the very last minute, or is it just something I do? Oh, it's quiet. Sounds like we're running out of water. That's good. So I'm just going to run through all my valves one more time. Just make sure I have all the water out and blow up my hoses. And I guess I can check that job off my list. Thanks for watching. Bye.